Hey, thanks for checking in today. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about citizenship. At First Class Immigration we handle a lot of citizenship cases, and there are a lot of common questions, and honestly people are a little bit afraid of citizenship for one thing, the Civics Test. And I just want to upfront say the Civics Test is not that hard. It's 10 questions, and of those, and I give you the 100 questions that the government could potentially ask. So if you passed high school or even probably 7th grade, you can handle the Civics Test. So now that's out of the way, let's get to the actual nuts and bolts of the citizenship process. So first question is, when are you eligible for citizenship? Well, if you're married to a US citizen and you gained your citizenship through marriage, so that's if you filed an I-130 and got your green card for the initial 2 years and then renewed it, you're actually eligible at 2 years and 9 months after receiving your green card to apply for citizenship. If you just received your green card either through another family member or you received it through work or as an entertainer, you actually have to maintain your citizenship for 5 years. Once you've reached that threshold, you can file what's called the citizenship process. So there's a couple of forms involved with that. It's the form N400 and the form 325A. It's a long form, it's a lot of pages, there's a couple of tricky questions in there, so you really need to read through the questions very carefully. Once you've filed the case, all the forms and the file fees and so forth, and if you check on the link below, we'll actually have the links to the file fees and the links to the forms. You'll submit that to the office, and then they'll review it. At the moment, it's taking about 3 months for them to review it, and then you'll get an interview date. Well, the first step is, once you've filed it, you'll actually get called in to do fingerprints and a photo, similar to when you applied for your green card. So about 3 weeks after you file, you'll get that, and then the next step will be your interview. And this is the infamous civics test and the English written and comprehension test. You go into the office, hopefully that all goes well, and then you'll be scheduled for a swearing-in ceremony whenever the next available time is. Citizenship is a wonderful thing. In addition to voting, there are certain tax benefits, particularly with estate planning, and it also allows you to leave the country and come back. A lot of people don't realize that when they've got a green card, if they leave the country for more than 6 months, it can create a lot of problems on re-entry. If you have your citizenship though, you can come and go, you have multiple passports, and you can really contribute to the country. I highly recommend it. If you have any questions, please reach out to the office, and good luck.